If you attempted to make things difficult, you could. You could have made things difficult. And that would have been at the expense of lives of poor Nigerians. You choose the path of honor, and may God help all of us. Thank you very much, Your Excellency.
In the wake of extreme controversy, President Goodluck Jonathan proved himself to be a patriot and a champion of democracy on the 28th of April 2015, when he made a concessional phone call to the president-elect at the time, General Muhammadu Buhari, congratulating him on his success at the polls.
Your Excellency. Your Excellency. Your Excellency, how are you? I'm all right, Your Excellency. Congratulations. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Yes. How are things? Well, I will congratulate you more. Yes, after you find time, some of these days to come so that we can sort out how to plan the transitional period. Right, Your Excellency. Thank you very much. Okay, congratulations. My respect, Your Excellency. Thank you.
Basically, what made me make that call is to ensure that there will be no violence in the country. Because if there is violence, it leads to massive killings. And as a person, I don't believe that anybody who is looking for positions to sacrifice the blood of innocent people.
Since that famous telephone call you made, you have changed the course of Nigerian political history. And you have earned the respect of not only Nigerians, but the world leaders. All the leaders that spoke to me and congratulated us for arriving at the point we arrived mentioned this. And I could understand a lot of relief in their voices that Nigeria has made it after all.
I saw on him a great leader and a Democrat, and that's why we appreciate his capacity to accept what the people of Nigeria did during this election. And I think it is a mark of a big Democrat, and Africa needs those Democrats. That's why we congratulate him even if he lost the election. And of course, Nigeria shows now that Africa is on the good way of democracy.
The manner in which President Jonathan handled the last election in which he contested has strengthened my personal conviction and the conviction of many other leaders of Africa and the world that there are many people, many leaders who respect democracy and who are willing to put national interests above self.
I can tell you through the diplomatic channel, many people were worried about Nigeria, how things would develop if the election did not go well, if President Goodluck Jonathan did not win. I always assured them. I said, I know the man. He is a friend of mine, and I can tell you that if he wins, it will be a transparent election. If he loses, he will recognize that he has not won, and I'm sure that he will call President Buhari to congratulate him.
C'est un grand homme politique, un homme extrêmement courageux. Et son geste par rapport aux dernières élections met l'Afrique de l'Ouest sur la voie de l'approfondissement de la démocratie. Donc le président Jonathan est un exemple. Il faut que beaucoup d'autres Africains, et en particulier beaucoup de dirigeants africains, s'inspirent de son exemple, s'inspirent de son courage politique, s'inspirent de son patriotisme et de son panafricanisme.
Et il nous a toujours assuré que pour lui le plus important, ce n'était pas que lui gagne ou pas. Le plus important pour lui, c'est que le Nigeria sorte grandi de cette élection. Et que si c'est lui qui perd, bon, il respectera le résultat de lui. Il le disait comme ça. Et il était possible, peut-être de contester, ou bien une crise était toujours possible. Surtout qu'il y avait l'environnement d'insécurité provoqué par les attaques de Boko Haram. Mais il a mis tout ça à côté et il s'est dit ce qui compte, c'est la paix pour le Nigeria.
Venant de lui, je n'ai pas été étonné. Connaissant l'homme, ça ne m'a pas étonné. Et j'étais certain qu'il ferait ça. C'est ceux qui ne le connaissent pas qui ont été surpris. Il n'y a pas été surpris. De Jonathan, homme responsable, homme humble, homme au service de son pays, il n'a pas été surpris. C'était une démarche tout à fait consubstantielle à l'homme. C'était lui, ça. Ça, c'est le vrai Jonathan. Et j'en étais heureux pour lui, pour le Nigeria et pour l'Afrique. Et pour la CEDEAO. Et heureux en tant que son frère.
For somebody to have risen above what is normal and to not only call his opponent and congratulate him, but to concede the election even before the official declaration was made, I think that is a mark of courage, is a mark of a statesman. And Nigeria and West Africa would forever be grateful to him. I think he set a standard that other people going into elections have to look at and follow.
He has provided a great example to a good number of us that are in leadership and those that are yet to come. I am sure that when it comes to writing the democratic history of Nigeria and the sub-region, that singular action of his will be remembered favorably.
So it's my pleasure, on behalf of the Vice President, members of the Cabinet, and other senior government functionaries, to formally hand over notes to General Muhammadu Buhari, the President-elect who will assume office tomorrow. Congratulations.
I want to tell the Nigerian people they have a great man, a great statesman, and I wish him the best of luck.
We are very sad to see him go, but I know that he still is available to us.
He has come out as a statesman, and I'm sure he can go out there and continue to reach out to other African states to emulate his example and to continue to build the democratic process that will guarantee our peace and stability. And these are ingredients for development.
And I hope he will continue to serve Africa, that he will find that role that suits him best, but that role that will enable us to continue to benefit from his wise counsel and from the experience that he has had and the support he has given to all of us.